Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today's video is all about the timeless and elegant silk slip dress. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasion or looking for a chic yet effortless look, silk slip dresses are the perfect choice. With their luxurious fabric and flattering silhouette, these dresses have become a staple in many wardrobes. Let's explore various ways to style silk slip dresses and how to make them work for different occasions. For the classic look, use a classic silk slip dress in a neutral color like black, white, or nude, along with strappy heels or elegant flats with delicate jewelry such as a thin gold necklace, a small hoop earrings, and a simple bracelet. Keep your makeup natural and your hair sleek to maintain the minimalist aesthetic. For casual and chic look, use a brightly colored or patterned silk slip dress with a plain white or graphic t-shirt underneath, along with casual sneakers or ankle boots with a crossbody bag, statements and glasses, and a watch. This look is perfect for daytime outings or casual brunches with friends. For denim jacket combo, used a pastel or light colored silk slip dress with a distressed denim jacket, along with white sneakers or flat sandals. A large tote bag, layer necklaces, and a baseball cap can be used along with this outfit. Roll up the sleeves of the denim jacket for a relaxed vibe. On glamorous evenings, choose a dark colored silk slip dress such as navy, burgundy, or emerald green, along with high heels in a complementary color, along with statement earrings, a clutch bag, and a bold lip color. Opt for a smoky eye makeup look to add drama and sophistication. For fur coat and heels, use a metallic or sequined silk slip dress with a fox fur coat, along with stiletto heels, a sparkly clutch cocktail ring, and a chandelier earrings. Perfect for formal events or a night out, this look exudes luxury and elegance. For day to night transition, use a silk slip dress in a bold color like red or royal blue, along with a tailored blazer with block heels or heel sandals, a structured handbag, minimal jewelry, and a belt to cinch the waist. This outfit can seamlessly transition from office to evening events by swapping flats for heels. A neutral or earth-toned silk slip dress, a chunky knit sweater worn over the dress, ankle boots or loafers, a leather backpack, hoop earrings, and a scarf. These all can give a look of sweater over dress. Ideal for cooler weather, this looks adds a cozy twist to the elegant silk slip dress. Cinching the waist with a belt can add shape and definition to your slip dress. Layering delicate necklaces and stacking rings can elevate the look. Adding a silk scarf can introduce patterns and colors. Experiment with layering pieces like turtlenecks, blouses, and cardigans underneath or over your slip dress for different looks. Silk slip dresses are incredibly versatile and can be styled in numerous ways to suit any occasion. Thank you for joining us on Luna Fashion and Beauty for today's video on silk slip dresses. Let us know in the comment which silk slip dress look is your favorite and how you plan to style it.